Welcome to the set of videos for the construction phase of buildings where I go into some of the different tools and things online that you can find, which allow you to actually implement data science in the different phases of the life cycle of buildings, in this case, in the construction phase. Using the data that from the actual tutorials and from the introduction to this set of videos of this week, I talked a lot about what's called building commissioning. And the commissioning process I focused a lot on because it uses different types of data from the actual building once it's being constructed. And the goal is really in the commissioning process to find problems, to find where things went wrong, systems maybe are broken or not installed properly, and the building commissioning team is meant to find those issues. So there's a lot of opportunities for data science and automation in this process. And in this first video, I'll talk a little bit about commissioning and some of the different resources that are out there. The first one is from an organization or website called Whole Building Design Guide, which is a program of the National Institute of Building Sciences. And they have a whole section in sort of the construction phase part of their online platform focused on building commissioning. And so you can go through, they have lots of resources, which include understanding the whole process, the roles, determining project performance requirements, the owner's role in the commissioning process. It focuses on some of the ASHRAE standards, which focus on commissioning process for buildings and systems, the goals of it, the benefits of it, which have been documented pretty heavily, and drivers and things like that. So this is a great place to look to learn more about the commissioning process and all of the different things that go into that. There's another resource that was developed by the California Commissioning Collaborative, and it includes also a lot of resources focused on commissioning, what it is. There's performance tracking. There's a whole handbook that focuses on how to collect data from buildings and use that for analysis. There's a lot of resources, including commissioning guides, R&Ds. There's some tools, new construction tools, which you can check out. And in the next couple of videos, I'm going to show you some more technical aspects of places that you can collect data for the commissioning process from the various types of sensor and automation system deployments in buildings.